Okay, so my name is Keith, and this is our final year project, which is Pendulum. So the title of our final year project is to design and build a Pendulum Impactor, and this project is done in collaboration with Sivantos, who is the manufacturer of a small hearing aid. So this whole pendulum is to test for the receiver in a small hearing aid, which is made by Sivantos, and it will be placed over here on the impact ball of the pendulum. And the whole purpose of it is to test for the reliability of the receiver. And we will put it up to many various G-force testing to see how much G-force can it tolerate before it breaks.
Hi, my name is Darren, and I will be demonstrating how to use the pendulum.
So we will show how all pendulum setups work. For this pendulum setup, the pendulum arm is connected to the ratchet, and the ratchet is